When you log into an Ubuntu system, whether you do it through SSH or through the console, you get to see how many updates need to be installed on the system. This is really convenient, especially if you work in an IT environment where you have to do patching regularly, or you have to audit the systems, see how far out of date they are. It can jump right into your face and it's not something that you have to think about. When working in IT, I can't tell you how many times I heard from a vendor or a support person, is the system updated? Does it have the latest patches? Is it running the latest security updates? So seeing this as soon as you log into a system can be very helpful. Red Hat derivatives like Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Alma Linux, Rocky Linux don't do that by default. So in this tip, I'm going to show you how to do that. So step one for this tip is to find out what options we need with the DNF command, which is the command used to update systems for patches, security updates, installed applications. As you can see from the highlight, the option we want is -- available, which shows advisories about newer versions of installed packages. Even though that's the default, I'm going to put it in the command anyway, but it's kind of self-explanatory there. Whatever packages you have installed, if there are updates or newer versions of them, this will show information on it, which is exactly what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and test out the command. And it looks like it gives us the information we need, showing 6 security notices on this system. Feel free to play around with the options, see what the output is, and see if something is more along the lines of what you're looking for. But in our case, for this exercise, this works great. Okay, next step. We're going to add the command to the etc profile.d directory. This will allow the command to be run every time someone logs in, whether it's a regular user or root or someone else. So the easiest way I find to do this is just to take an existing file in there, the directory, copy it over, and edit it for what we need. Quick and simple. So here I'm going to use the less.sh file. That's as good a file as any. I'm going to run the command cp less.sh over to, I'm going to call it show-updates.sh, but you could call it whatever you want. Need sudo for that. Forgot about that. Once we do that, then we're going to go and edit the file. I'm using VI, but feel free to use Nano or whatever other editor you're comfortable with. We don't need any of what's in there, so I'm deleting it all. Just putting a comment, that's what the hashtag is for. And then just typing the command exactly as we typed it in the command line. Once we do that, we can save the file. Just do a list just to show that the file is there. Then we're going to exit out. Let's go ahead and test this and make sure it's working right. And there you go. Once you log in, as you can see right there at the end of the login prompt, updates available. And there you have it. Quick and easy way to show updates on login on any Red Hat based system. Hit the like button if this video helped you out. And subscribe if you'd like to see more videos just like this one. This is Rick from In Front of IT, signing out.